Magbibigay si Mishka ng kanyang regalo sa kanyang mga teachers. Kasi last day na namin. Ang bitbit niya yung tsokolate. Chocolate. Okay. Mimi, tell me, what are you going to say to your teacher? Mishi, look here. Thank you, teacher, for taking care of me. I'm going home now.
I'm going home now.
See you.
See you.
That you will say, okay?
Okay, I don't need buy a house yet.
Yeah, later, okay? Now we'll go to your school. Push. Oh. Ayan, Tara, let's sa kanyang school. Go, come on. Oh, hold. You give teacher, okay? One by one you take out, okay? Go. Come on. Here, here. Okay, go.
I'm so shy.
Why?
Mama.
It's not there. Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, come on. Wait. Okay. See, teacher is there. Take off your shoes. Okay, take off your shoes. There. Come on. We'll work. We'll wait for teacher. Give it to her. Hold it and give it to her. Okay. Give it to her. This one. Hold. Okay. Thank you. Handa tayo ng para sa aming lunch. Ito yung aming gulay. Parwan. At kulang. Ngayong gabi is yung aming train pauwi ng Bangalore, pero hindi pa siya sure, hindi pa sigurado yung aming pag-uwi. Kasi yung aming ticket, hindi pa siya na-confirm. Yung full confirmation ba? Alauna na, mamaya hapon pa daw, darating talaga yung confirmation, mga 4 p.m. If ma-confirm yung aming ticket, then makaka-alis kami ngayong gabi. Pag hindi siya na-confirm ngayong gabi, mag-book ako ng para sa aming flight. So, sana ma-confirm siya. Sana makapag-relax na sila ni mama dun sa bahay before sila mag-flight o uwi ng Pinas. You wanna help mommy? Okay. Nagpala. Pati na lang kapag handa na din kami, nakapag-tapin na kami. Nakita ng taga ng confirmation para mamaya. Pinapakain niya yung kanyang pinsan. Small. Miti. Oh, sige na. Airplane. Come on. Zoo. Okay. small lang, love. That's big. Miti. Wow. Very good. More. Miti. Very good. You're what? Oh, good sisters ako na. Yes, you're a good sister. Oh yes, you feed Miti because Miti is hungry. You are a good sister. Uy, very good. Mitiwa, very good. Yeah. Wow. Very good. Drink water first. And then Didi will feed you. Okay? Pagod to yung mga kids na to, guys, dahil sa kasal. No, enough, Mimi. Wait. Miti will relax. Jaldi. Jaldi. It's good. Miti, open mo. Airplane. Mimi, do airplane. Airplane. No. Okay. She's eaten so many already.
Looks like you.
Yeah. She's copying. Okay. She's eaten so many since earlier, Mimi. Relax. Okay. One last bit if Miti will eat. Miti.
Okay, last.
Last. Okay, okay. Okay, enough na. Miti is full. She has eaten so many. Miti, high five! Good job, both of you. Okay. Okay. Naghihintay talaga kami ng message, confirmation ng booking namin. Kami ni Aaron J. Mangan dito. Naghihintay and finally, na-confirm na yung aming ticket. So, makakaalis kami tonight. So, ito makikita nyo guys. Kasi kanina, yung nakalagay dito sa booking status or current status, ano siya, RAC. Ngayon, CNF na means confirmed. So, ayan. CNF
means confirmed.
Confirmed daw, sabi ni Aaron G. Ayan. So, meron na kaming coach number, birth number. So, maghanda na kami kasi 8:15 yung train namin. So, maghanda kami ng sa pag-alis namin. Ay, thank you. Bibili kasi sa Aaron G ng mga fruits namin.
सेब एप्पल You want
Apple. हाँ.
1 किलो एप्पल ले रहे हैं, 2 किलो ऑरेंज बोले हैं, वो लोअर है और एक
Abi na confirm yung aming ticket.
हाँ पापा अपर पे हो जाएंगे, 2 लोअर हो जाएगा दोनों के लिए।
Si Papa sa upper kasi dalawang lower yung aming coach.
हाँ और एक सीट ना अलग कर दिया तो हम जाके साथ में करवा देंगे। 15 एक अलग कर दिया भाभी का।
It's
और
okay.
मम्मी पापा का ऊपर नीचे है,
हाँ।
तो वो जाके वहीं पर करवा देंगे, साथ में एक साथ हो जाएंगे तीनों। लोअर वाले के लोअर वाले से एक्सचेंज करवा देंगे। हाँ ठीक है भैया।
हाँ, okay. Hi, thank you, Aaron G.
हाँ तो 4 घंटा पहले अभी जस्ट आया है, 1 मिनट पहले, 4:15 मिनट। हाँ
Nag-check din siya. Okay. We'll prepare now. Nandito na sa Aaron
लो
G,
इसमें
guys.
से लो
Bumili siya ng aming prutas
ये
para
पकड़ो
sa aming
भाभी,
train journey.
वो
Ha?
ये भाभी ककम्बर
Okay.
50 रुपीज।
Oh,
हाँ
ang dami na guys. 50 rupees. 100.
140।
140.
हाँ एप्पल 140
Okay.
and this one
Banana.
50।
Okay.
हाँ it
Okay,
will be
Aaron G. Ripe. Tomorrow.
tomorrow yeah।
Nakahanda na si mami ng para sa babaunin namin sa train. Iyak ng bata. Okay. Okay, coming! Hindi pa ako nakapag-start. Tumulong dito, umiyak na si Mishka. Habit eh. Here, your fruit is there. Inside the bag. Love meeting lang because we Next time, Mitty. Okay, be a good girl, Mitty. Guys, ang mga baon namin. Mas maganda kasi kapag nagbabiyahe sa train or kung saan ka man magbabiyahe na komportable yung damit mo. So, pag kurta, komportable siya. Tapos yung aking pajama. Yan lang. Nagpatawag pa si mami guys. Huling pag-serve niya ng kape sa kanila before kami umalis. Ayan.
Sabu
Kay Abhi naman eh. Pabaon na naman kay Abhi. Oh, get picture. Okay. You will call? Yeah, okay. Here, Aaron, give me that. Kita ada sama? Oh. One more. Miti, stand here, Miti. Miti, here. Yay! Yung sasama lang sa amin, yung maghatid sa railway station guys, si Mami, yung dalawang kids, and si Aaron G. Kami lang yung magkasya sa sasakyan, si Papa hindi yan sasama. Tapos si Honey magpapahinga kasi kahapon, mula doon sa shadi or sa wedding na pinuntahan namin, wala pa siyang tulog. So kami lang, si Aaron G yung maghatid sa amin. As always. Come on na. Mimi, say goodbye to Buwa na, Mimi. Ha? Love. Say Buwa, see you next time. Say see you next time, Buwa. And bye, Dada Gina. Bye, Dada G. Pranam, Dada Gina. She will love. Honey, bye, honey. You rest. Bye, Dada G. Here. Bye, Dada G.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Buwa.
Bye.
मीठी तो नहीं ले बाबू
Bye, Miti.
दे देती इधर
Ara sa pang, Miti pa. Bye, Buwa. Bye, honey.
Bye, bye. Bye, Mama. Bye.
Okay, okay.
Bye, Mama. Bye.
Bye, honey. Bye, Papa. Pranam. Ride train.
Aeroplane. I feel aeroplane. Hi, partner.
See you next time.
merong elephant at saka camel
अच्छा इधर मिलेगा
Dito na yung
कोई pa na tao
Danapur Railway Station. So, andito na kami guys sa Danapur Railway Station. Diyan kami pupunta. Dito lang kami nag-park sa labas. Let's go. Okay. Tara, let's. Our train journey starts here. Kailangan bit-bitit paakyat yung mga bag, walang lift. Let's go, Mimi. Good job, princess. Good job, baby love. Diyan kami guys, platform number 4. Go, go, go. Side, side, other side. Go. Yung magpinsan ay. Yung ibang mga pasahero dito na naghihintay para sa kanilang next na trip. Go, Mimi, go, Mimi. Go. Go. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Nag-i-enjoy sa Mishka eh. Yan. Si Papa excited na yan guys. Ito talaga yung hinihintay eh, yung makasakay sa train pauwi. Ito na yung aming train guys. Let's go. Dito kami sa A2. So fast.
You come.
Okay.
Papa, mama, wait.
Dali lang pang. Paunahan ko sana. Go inside. Go inside. 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 This one.
मीठा बाजार में
A2 P1.
सोनपुर तो इधर ही है तो ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं। हाँ तो ऐसे ही बैठे हुए हैं।
कोई बात नहीं।
Yeah, this is our bed. This is bed. Oh, wait. Fufaji is there.
This one is yours.
This one. And the other one, Arunji,
Other one 15, Bobby.
15. Yeah, later. Wait, Mishi, wait. Upper. Ano kami eh? 45, 46. Upper, lower. Hindi pang dito. Yung isa kasi guys, separate siya sa amin. So yung sa kay Papa. This one.
Lower part.
This one pa. Amo
Lower
ka
part.
Oo. Dire ka karon. This one is 15.
15 lower part.
Dire ka karon pang. What is this? Wait,
This is for wide seat. When you sleep, then
okay.
you can.
Ay mo pang sa dalom.
You have to
Sit down. Okay. Kung magpungko, may sandigan. Kung makaigda ka mo.
बता देंगे हम लोग एक्सेल आप भी बेंगलोर तक जाइएगा अंकल
नहीं वो रामा मंदिर
कितना पहले
शाम तक ये पहुंचेगी 9:45 रात
आज ही रात में
आज रात को मुगल
कोई बात नहीं
So it's okay. If
you
someone will come.
have approx 24 hours after they will come then you can
Then again,
Ano, aga,
Ay, tungas lang sa. Okay lang ingat dire ka. Fufaji is buying. Love, Daddy G say, Daddy G, I will come back again. Say, Daddy G, I will come back again. 8:15. 8:15 ang halin. 15 minutes eh, mama. Love me, Tico.
I'm sorry.
Nag-away kasi yung dalawa. Yeah, okay, wait. Yeah. Say, Anibaya also. Anibaya, I'm going home. Say, Anibaya, I go. Anibaya, I go home. See? Okay. Yung dito nakaupo guys sa taas, pina-exchange namin siya doon sa isa namin. Pero hanggang bukas lang. Meron pang 24 hours.
ठीक है
10 minutes na lang guys, then bababa na din yan sila kasi it's already 8:01 and 8:15 yung aming start ng aming journey. So fast train na. Uwi na kami guys.
ठीक है
Time.
पापा
Thank you.
again you come
Or you come Philippines next time.
I will come
Mimi, pranam Daddy G. Love Daddy G. Pranam Daddy G.
प्रणाम करो दादाजी
Say Daddy G, I come back next time Daddy G.
गाइस अरे नानी को नहीं दादा को
Wait, Mimi, wait. Miti, pranam. Nagpa-pranam. Mami, pranam. Mami, rest, hey, Mami.
Yes, babu.
We'll come back next time, Mami. Arunji, thank you, Arunji. Thank you for taking care. No, for taking care of us.
It's my pleasure
Bye,
You come
Fufaji.
again,
Pranam,
Papa.
Fufaji.
You come
Pranam,
again.
Fufaji. Pranam, Fufaji.
okay, no.
Say pranam,
Okay.
Fufaji.
sit
Arunji, bye, Arunji.
Bye.
Next time, Arunji. Si Papa emotional. Papa will cry.
no papa thank you we will
Mami,
come again.
bye-bye, Mami.
come
Next time again.
service okay
If you, Papa is saying that if you go Philippines, he will also drive for you.
okay thank you papa thank you
Arunji, bye.
okay bye
Anay, bye-bye.
bye mimi bye
Bye. Anay, baya. They'll go now. Bye, Fufaji. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Miti. Here. Miti is there. Miti, bye. pa. So, dalawang upper, tapos isang lower.
Ay, ara
Ayan.
pa sila daw.
Ay, ate! Sam, it is there! Oh. Our train is moving already. Oh, bye-bye na. Oh. Bye, Mitty. Oh, nagulat sila mag-isa. Ayan, next time you will play with Mitty. 8:10. 5 minutes early. Na first train ni Papa at Mama. First train ko din. Pero yung mahabang biyahe na. Naka-experience na ako ng ano lang eh. Yung short lang ba na pagsakay sa train. Pero ito yung pinakamahaba na ma-experience ko. 2 days and 2 nights. What? Our train is moving. Nandiyan si Papa para makapag sightseeing siya.
Train is moving.
See, Michelle, look, oh, the train is moving now.
Moving. Eh?
Yeah. So we are starting here from Danapur Railway Station.
They make me.
Daddy G, what?
Daddy, Daddy, is my milk.
Yeah. Hulat naman na sila. We are really moving. Kamatulog ka naman karon. Ayan na. It's moving.
Daddy.
Happy journey. Hey, Daddy is saying happy journey.
Happy holiday.
Happy
Huli.
Happy holiday.
Okay, say thank you, Daddy. See you soon. Thank you, Daddy. See you soon. Okay. Our first meal sa train kay Papa, ayan. Tinapay with peanut butter. And sa amin naman ni Mama, yung pinabaon sa amin ni Mami na, ayan, kachori. Tapos meron din kaming paper plate. Tapos ketchup. Meron din naman dito ang canteen, guys. Pwede kang bumili, order. Pero mas safe na meron ka ding baon. Para kahit anong oras ka gutumin, meron kang pagkain. Dito sa second class, meron yan silang pinoprovide na bedsheet, towels, tapos pillow, and blanket. Mag-set up tayo sa taas. Kasi yung kasama namin dito, nakapag-set up na siya. Yes, wait, I will fix our bed first. Okay.
My bed.
Yeah. Pwede na naman ako yan. Pero mas mura naman. Scan to Payment Management System, KSR. Papa. Dito si Papa sa kabila. And for privacy guys, meron tayong curtain dyan. Yan. So close na. Tatlo na kami dito ngayon, magkakasama. Tapos meron lang isa na kaibigan na din namin kasi nagtugon si Arunchi sa kanya na kung may problema kami, magsabi lang kami sa kanya. Yung pasahero na to hanggang Bangalore din siya.
They want a big bed. They want a small bed.
Yes. So you and Mommy can sleep here later, okay?
It's not my bed.
This is Lolo bed. This is Mimi and Mommy bed, and below is Lola bed there.
No, it's Uncle bed.
Yeah, this one is Uncle bed. Good job, princess. Come on, we'll sleep now.
No.
Do not touch this. This is only for policeman, okay? This is only for policeman, okay, love love? Kailangan natin siyang paalalahanan, baka paglaruan niya ba yung alarm.
I want to
Where you want to go up? This is up already.
Nakoda sa babaw.
Nga how? Kabalo ka magsaka? Ma? Hindi ka makapuyan magsaka?
Yeah.
Dito sa kilid to? Si Papa nang sa dalom?